You know what? I think I want to try and beat this storm to Julie's parents' house because, man, there is a ripping red storm on that radar headed right our way. Looks like it's gonna hit in about 15 minutes.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
Follow the sun, kick off your shoes and have some fun.
Good morning, family. We are one short of our family today because Julie's at home while I take the kids to church because we still don't have our van. Yeah, we still don't have our van because it's still in the shop, but we should get it back Monday, I hope, maybe.
Tomorrow?
Maybe. We'll see. There's one part we had to send away to get fixed. So, I taking the kids to church. Caliana's been cranky because she saw Talia hold up her passy, and now she wants her passy, but I said no passies in church. Yeah. And it's raining out, which kind of makes it a bum day.
Yeah, and tomorrow's, well, there's like a warning of tornado, but we don't think there's going to be a tornado.
I don't think there's going to be a tornado.
But he's saying we're going to have lightning and thunder.
But we will keep an eye on things. Oh, can't find parking.
I want to park in the back again.
Oh man, I just missed one. I saw a guy. But, oh, they're leaving. Woohoo!
Yay!
Yes, got a spot.
2 hours later.
What's for lunch? Caliana, say what's for lunch? She said what?
I don't know what's for lunch.
Can we have the frozen pizza? No, how about snacks?
Brody, you had snacks yesterday for lunch. How about the frozen pizza from the grocery store? The spicy frozen pizza from the grocery store.
Please, please, please. No. Yeah.
What are you having?
What am I having?
Yeah.
I guess I'll have that, but I'll have a little bit of salad because I feel like I've been eating like crap lately.
Should I still order?
Yeah, like crap. Whenever Julie doesn't make it to church or we're in a situation like this, we always call mommy on the way home and say, "What's for lunch?" Because we're so hungry. And she always just goes, "I don't know."
Stop calling me like this.
Stop calling me. Stop annoying me. No, it's not always like that, but
You're out of your room, man.
yeah, that's usually the answer we get. But then I say I want hoagies for lunch, and she says no more money spent, something like that.
Well, we already took out this week.
Yeah. All right, so I think we're gonna get some cheap frozen pizzas from the grocery store, which are way cheaper than like regular pizza.
Oh my gosh, they're so spicy and the crust is so good.
All right, we'll be home in a little while. See ya.
Look, is this a boy or a girl?
It's like this baby.
Oh, it's a baby? Yeah, I know it's a baby, but is it a boy or a girl?
A baby. A cone.
A Cohen? There's a Cohen in there? There's a Cohen right there.
Is there a tally on there?
Is it? She just says baby. She's like, well, that's true. There is a baby in there.
Is there a boy or a girl?
Is there a boy or a girl?
Now, is there
She's good at saying sorry.
Is there a boy or a girl in the baby belly? 1 minute, Daddy.
She just says baby.
Killian, is there a boy or a girl in there? Get the pizza. A what? A boy or a girl? A boy or a girl?
She's not gonna say. She's like, it's just a baby. That's all I know.
Yes, she's for certain it's a baby. All right, so we're home from church. We got our frozen pizza. Oh yeah.
Are they done, Daddy?
Yep, they're done.
No, they said one more.
Time to eat.
No.
All right, guys. Clearly, we've now arrived. We've hit the big time. Julie, you want to tell them what happened?
Well, I was just excited because I got a like from Jim Gaffigan for Twitter on my picture that I posted on Instagram. I just commented, baby number 5 is due in 2 days before Christmas. And then I quoted Jim Gaffigan. That's one way to live your life. Jim Gaffigan. Obviously, he saw that because he liked it. Here, I'll show you. That's my Instagram picture.
Yay!
Thank you, Jim Gaffigan.
The male model. It's pointless. It means absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
But because Jim saw it and gave it a thumbs up.
We're
Thanks,
excited
Jim.
anyway.
Yeah, that's pretty interesting.
We like Jim Gaffigan.
Yeah. Bacon!
So we really especially love his, if you go back and look on YouTube, where he jokes about having 4 kids.
Yeah, just go Google Jim Gaffigan, 4 kids. It's a little comedy clip. He just says, like, if you want to know what it's like having a 4th kid, just imagine you're drowning. And then someone hands you a baby. Which is pretty accurate. Actually. Hey, what are you doing down here? You're supposed to be upstairs doing your laundry, young man. Hop to it. Hop to it. All right, guys, we're headed down to Julie's parents' house for dinner. The kids are already gone because Julie's dad went and picked them up already. What did we do to deserve this vacation? Two people in a car. Just me and Julie in a car, all by ourselves. That hasn't happened in a long time. You know what? I think I want to try and beat this storm to Julie's parents' house because, man, there is a ripping red storm on that radar headed right our way. Looks like it's gonna hit in about 15 minutes.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County and northern Delaware, northeastern Cecil County and northeastern Maryland, northwestern Camden County and eastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately.
So yeah, on our radio on the way to my parents, we just got the severe thunderstorm warning, and we're in one of those areas. So yeah, fortunately we'll be at my mom's by then.
I don't like the fact that it said 60-mile-an-hour winds and potential damage to siding and other stuff. That's no fun.
Yeah, that's not good. Hopefully our house stays intact with the siding.
Yeah. So it's raining out as you saw that before. It's getting crazy windy. It was like an absolute downpour for a couple minutes, and I think that lightning they were talking about is about to roll through here. Well, the storm has passed. We heard about 3 rumbles of lightning and thunder, and it's still drizzling out. But you know what? We don't care. We are going swimming. How you like them apples? Yeah, we going swimming. You ready, Brody? Yeah. Who says you can't swim in the rain?
Nobody.
Look, there's a baby in the pool. We got to have some swimming fun anyway, even though it was a storm.
Daddy,
Just do fall back then. Green in the air?
No.
You gotta hold this and throw that back. Hold it.
No.
You don't throw her, do you?
Of course we do.
What?
Wait, hey, watch. Ready? 1, you throw the baby. Watch. 1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Oh!
Daddy, hey, Mommy, I'm watching
She
you.
also does the baby balancing. Stand up.
Whoa! You're gonna be seeing Daddy, she's stuck.
Your turn? Huh?
You're gonna be seeing more of this cuteness, swimming cuteness this summer.
Watch her jump off. Climb up and jump off.
You gonna jump to daddy? Jump to daddy.
Jump! Yes! I did it! Woohoo! Here she goes.
Yay! I think he just enjoys the attention.
Hit her. That's not nice.
Daddy, we're in the air now. We just like a monkey. When the storm's gonna come back?
It's done. We wouldn't be out here.
That was a lot of to do about nothing.
That's because the news needs to make ratings too.
Cohen, what are you doing?
Making a paper airplane.
Yeah? With daddy?
Yeah.
So Cohen and daddy worked on this plane. Whoa, it shot out of me. Here, show it close up. Whoa, cool plane, guy. Pretty cool. Can I show it one more time? How it works.
You blow this.
Whoa, it just hit me. Whoa. Uh-oh, now Randy started something. Now he had Evangeline come to him and said, all pathetically, it sounded very pathetic. Uncle Randy, can you make an airplane for me? That's like how it kind of sounded.
How am I gonna say no to that? No, get away from me, kids. Bother me.
So now he's making an airplane for Evangeline.
That's life. Take what comes along the way. That's love. Let it grow stronger every day. There's joy as the days go passing by. There's hope, a better life for you and I. Take our dreams and fly. Together we can try. That's life.